This is a brief overview video discussing branding in the Agiloft End User Portal. Our End User Portal is a website where the pages are stored and configured in your Agiloft project. This lets you use our out-of-the-box configuration or design your own. This overview video will show quick examples of how to change some bits of the branding without getting too involved in the HTML setup. To start, I am logged in as a generic user, customer here. You can see the browser title says Agiloft Support. I'm using the Agiloft logo, and I have some basic welcome text here. This is our first example where I've changed very little from the default configuration. This next screen, I'm now logged in as a different user, Maurice Sendak. Notice the logo now has changed to a more appropriate logo, and we also have a different welcoming text as well as a different browser title. This is the same project. I'm on the same page here, main.php, which will be discussed in a moment. It is simply that I've changed what this individual user is going to be seeing. For a more extreme example, we move to our third one. This now is just a basic guest user, so they actually have fewer options here. They're not able to see cases they've submitted previously. And again, we have a different browser title, different logo, different welcome text, and here I'm even using a different CSS file for an entirely different look and feel. This is a quick example again of changing branding for the end user portal. This was done by setting up branding records, which I can then alter depending on how you want the brands to work. Each user is then associated with a particular brand, and based on the brand a user is associated with, they will see different things when they log in. This also lets us set information about the brand that will be used elsewhere in the system, such as an outbound email address that can be used for tech support tickets. This is one way of approaching branding. Of course, if you have different login pages for your different brands, then because our portal is essentially a website, you can direct them, if you want, to different pages. Again, all three of these users are coming to main.php, but you could direct different login pages to completely different disparate sections of the portal instead, if you wanted a completely different appearance for it. That was our brief overview video discussing branding for the Agiloft End User Portal.